I sue you. I'm gonna sue you.
You know you're doing the right thing when you're doing stuff you hate to do that thing you like better. I don't even know if that makes sense. It's too early, Sunday morning, by the way. Let me just go and try and wake up, okay? That's better. What I was trying to say is, me waking up on a Sunday early never happens. But today I want to do 2 different videos and I'm supposed to have a photo shoot, whatever. And I want to do things right this time. So yeah, I needed to wake up early, I needed to get ready early and prepare. I never wake up early, not on a Sunday. But first I need a coffee anyway, so let's get that ready. Okay, with that out of the way, I'm on my way now to do the first video. So I'm gonna take a little break for this one. If you ask why I'm making 2 separate videos instead of just one, it's more for your convenience than mine actually. So if you're here just for the basic on photography and stuff, you don't have to watch the rest of my day, you know. But I want to still doing these blogging style videos, mostly because I want to learn more about filmmaking and storytelling, and yeah, that's basically why. So I will see you in a couple of hours. If you remember, if you're still interested in photography basics and stuff, go watch the other videos, and yeah, see you next. Okay, so had to come back home, recharge battery because my rope only have 1 battery. I'm gonna meet up with some friends, have a present for her, eat something, and after that the photo shoot. So yeah, that's the exciting part of the day. I'm gonna have somebody helping me record the photo shoot and stuff. And I hope you like it. Yeah, let's see how it goes. So we're finally here in the location several hours later. I was supposed to have a second camera, didn't happen. She's not around, so when she's here I'm gonna introduce you who's the responsible for that. But I'm gonna do a small B-roll sequence of this place, and I'm gonna put a couple of the pictures I'm gonna take in there, so at least I can share that. And yeah, so that's probably it for this video after you finish that sequence. So let's see what we can do about that, okay?
Surrender to the sound. Don't forget the crowd. Harmonies allowed. I want it, you want it. You were holding on, waiting for something that wasn't meant for you. Now that is gone. What you find is
So that what you just saw right now, that's the B-roll of this area. We have here our model for today, and that one that doesn't want to show her face, that's the one. That's the one that didn't brought her camera to do the whole thing the right way. So yeah, I don't know if she's gonna let me I'm gonna put some photos of her in here, and that's.
Yeah, you have permission.
Oh, there we go.
Oh, no, I sue you. I'm gonna sue you. Because everybody in America.
Oh, okay, so I'm gonna get sued in a month or so because I'm gonna put her photos on the video. And that's the end for today. Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys.